Hi, my name is Sumantra Misra, and I'd like to share my experiences with Data Restoration Lab, who has been my go-to data recovery partner for almost 6 years now. My recent case involved a Seagate 1 terabyte hard disk drive with physical damages. Their team handled this with extreme professionalism, right from clear communication to using their technical expertise. They were very good at it. They use advanced tools and a very organized clean room environment, which matters a lot, particularly during these sensitive recovery cases. What I admire most is their consistency. Over the last 6 years, I have recovered data thrice from them and referred two more friends to them also. And they have had a remarkable 100% success rate every time. This kind of reliability is very hard to find. I can say with confidence that the Data Restoration Lab is not just a service provider, but a trusted partner for anyone who values their data. I highly recommend them and I wish them all the best.